The Vivo S60 Vitality Edition is expected to launch on the 29th of May alongside the standard Vivo S60. Now, Vivo hasn't officially revealed the pricing yet, but based on leaks and Vivo's usual S-series pricing strategy, the S60 Vitality Edition is expected to be the cheaper option in the lineup, with an expected starting price somewhere around $280 to $350. Anyway, the phone has a similar design language as the Vivo S60, and of course it has a premium build. The back of the phone is made of glass, it has aluminum frame. The phone is just 7.9mm thick and is expected to weigh 199 grams. According to the details, the device would come with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, and of course, since it is IP69 rated, it's going to be resistant to high pressure water jets. Now let's talk specs. The phone has a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and up to a crazy 5000 nits peak brightness. So outdoor visibility would not be a problem here. The resolution is of course 1.5K. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7500 chipset, and the device comes in different memory configurations, including 8GB RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, or 12GB RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. The camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup led by a 50MP main sensor with OIS support and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. Sadly, there is no telephoto camera here like on the regular S60, but the real highlight might actually be the front camera, which is a 50MP selfie shooter with autofocus and 4K video recording. Now, the most important selling point about the device is its battery life. The device is reportedly packing a huge 7200 mAh silicon carbon battery with 90 watts fast charging. That battery size is honestly wild for a phone this slim. If the leaks are accurate, this thing could easily be a 2-day battery monster for most users. Other nice extras include stereo speakers, NFC, and IR blaster. The phone also has Bluetooth 5.4, an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, and so much more. The phone also ships with the latest Android 16 with Vivo's Origin OS 6 UI on top. So these are the top features of the Vivo S60 Vitality Edition. As I said earlier, the device would launch on the 29th of May alongside the Vivo S60. And yes, it's the cheaper option here, it's the cheaper model. So if you cannot afford the Vivo S60, you may want to look out for the Vitality Edition. But of course, there are no official price yet, but it is expected to be cheaper than the S60. Anyway, these are the details that I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.